do a quick walkthrough. Wilderness Systems Ride 115. In the cockpit area, the depth finder, silent traction, some for my paddle, storage, stand-up rope, seat with dirt dauber nest in it, shoe pick anchor for the back, extra rope behind the seat, half a crate, ruler, net, ice chest, rod holders, anchor line for my front anchor. Here's the cleat for my shoe pick in the front. Lower it and raise it and lock it in place. See attachment point for my stand-up assist. Front hatch. The electrical connections for the depth finder. Close up of the front shoe pick anchor with sound deadening so the anchor doesn't knock around. That's just the tow hook. The ram tube on a track so it can move anywhere you want. Life jacket, first aid kit and whistles and pliers and all that stuff. And that's it.